Okay, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a talk through, and then we are also doing sunset eyes with nude lips or just gloss. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to try as much as possible to keep this as a talk through. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so that's what. I'm starting with, I don't have a mirror. Okay, please, I need a mirror. You reach. I can't reach. Okay, so we're starting with this moisturizer. It's a moisturizer by Philosophy. So we're going to moisturize. Don't forget to always reach for your neck. Once this is done, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Pore Professional. Okay, people tend to say Pore Professional, but it's Benefit Professional. Yeah, it works magic with the pores. The only thing I don't like about this primer is that if you tend to use too much, it leaves like a white cast. Calm down, she JJ, today I'm using my NAC Studio Tech foundation. This is in NW45, but I warm it up in the product first and then put it on my face for a few seconds, wait for it to warm up, and then blend it out. Calm down, she JJ, calm down, she JJ. So the reason why I warm it on my skin for a bit is I find that it blends easily with this right here. One thing I like to do also is to, if I'm using a brush to apply concealer, is to blend or spread out the sides a bit.
Spin off the phone with the building for one lamba. Easy pay for one, Mr. Easy for one ginger. Monica pay for one, DJ spin off for one ginger. Which kind find you want to find? No way they never find before. Sagada.
When this is done, it's already a bit blended into your skin, so blending won't be that difficult, and it won't leave harsh lines. Still don't want any harsh lines, so with the rest of the products left from the foundation, we're gonna blend. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. This is a medium deep. Calm down, she JJ, calm down, she JJ, So what I'm doing is packing most of the powder here and then blending it out as it goes. I'm going to go in with my Abys Invisible powder in NC5 for the rest of my face, and then go ahead and contour using my sleek face form in dark. So I'm just blending the contour and the setting powder because I don't want to see any lines. So It takes a longer time to blend using like a smaller brush, but anyway. So I'm just overlapping the powders so that we don't see where one starts and where the other ends. For some time now I've not been reverse contouring, no special reason, but I'm doing that today. I'm using my Abys Invisible Powder in NC3. So this, guys, is the finished look. We're gonna go out like this, okay? It's time for me to bring my face back to sanity. I'm going to use my Abys Invisible Powder in NC5 again. To blend everything out. Blend nation. I just decided to leave this on my nose for no special reason. I'm going to leave it on my nose and then we are going to do the brows. For my brows today, I'm going to be using my Hegaiandesther brow pomade, and then I'll conceal it with the NYX concealer that I use. Since lately, I don't do anything much to my brows. Okay, I just brush it up, over, and down. And then I'm just going to go in and draw the tail end. Just the tail end. And that's it. So I'm going to brush over everything, you know, so that we don't see any demarcation here.
Zagadat. It's your boy. Spinner, give me the beat.
Okay, so this is the look you're coming to do. Sunset and nice. Now, I particularly love these lashes. I was going to use something else, but thanks to Ikea, she says to use these ones that I got from Fella Makafui. It's, where is it? It's the Beauty by Fella Makafui lashes. This is original 100% 3D mink lashes, as it says on the packaging, and this is in 3D 51. Yo! I mean, from the packaging you can't tell that it's this Varavue, but it's so dope. It's so dope. And guess what? The price though, very cool price. I'm going to just properly blend, get rid of that fold. To start, I'm going to use this white as base, so it will double as a primer and a white base as well. It's from the Karity palette.
Calm down. I'm
going to blend the edges with my finger. A Juvia Zulu palette. I'm going to be using this, and this. I'm not sure about how this yellow translates though, because you have to go in over and over and over and over and over again.
No, they spend the same currency.
So I put the orange just below the yellow transition shade, just below it, okay? And then I'm going to go back in with that brush that we used to blend the yellow and blend the edges. So build up and blend and build up and blend and build up and blend until we reach desired pigmentation. For my cut crease, I'm going to use the same white from the Karity concealer palette. I'm using the purple first.
Mr. Easy.
Overlap with the purple. So it blends nicely. And I don't want to lose the cut crease, so I'm going to go in with a smaller brush for the top. So with the yellow as well, I'm going to overlap it with the orange. So I'm going to line my eye using my Stila gel, waterproof gel liner in black. Lashes time. I'm going to use this and my Kleancolor dark lash adhesive. Before I pop those lashes on, I'm going to use my Ardell fiber building mascara.
Calm down, she jeje, malo she gaga, malo she bionica. Calm down, she jeje, malo she gaga, malo she bioya. Oya, calm down, she jeje, malo she gaga, malo she bioya. Oya, calm down, she jeje, malo she gaga, malo she bioya. Oya, be fun.
I'm going to line my bottom lashes with this Maybelline waterproof gel pencil liner. This liner though, it is really black. I'm going to go back with a smaller brush and into that purple and pop it on. For my lashes, my bottom lashes, I'm going to use this Pear Cosmetics triple threat mascara. So how does this look? Shouts to you, Ikea. Shouts to you, the glitter wig, man. Alright, so I'm going to use this benign glitter glue and BH Cosmetics gold glitter. I'm just going to pop that into the crease because as you can see, it is working. The glitter is working. The glitter is working.
Currency dividing her. Easy, calm down. She jeje, malo she gaga, malo she bioya. Calm down.
Time to highlight. I'm highlighting with my Sleek Face Form in dark. I'm going to use that on the highest points of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my chin, cupid's bow, forehead, inner corner, you know, all of that good stuff.
Oh my god.
Who this? Hello. Haven't glowed like this, applied highlight like this in a while. But since we are going in today, why not?
Money lamba, easy, pay for one. Mr. Easy, money ginger, Monica, pay for one. DJ Spino, money ginger. Which kind fine you want to find? No way they never find before. Sagada.
Definition of I'm feeling myself.
Feeling myself. I am popping. Like popping. For my lips, I'm going to use this Kylie gloss. This is like. I'm just going to use this Black Secret lipstick in Chocolate Diva just for the corners. Alright guys, my earrings. So this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video because I am popping. I am popping. Hello. I am popping. Hello. Even if you don't tell me, I know that I am popping. The eyes, the glow, everything is working for me, and I love this. Anyway, shouts going out to IKEA. Yo, you're a real G, man. Thank you. So this is the finished look. Let me be sexy for a minute.
You, they are feeling the boy. We are not the same. International flexing. Hey, Charlie, we know they spend the same. Currency dividing her. Easy, calm down. Shit.
Okay, so thanks for sticking and staying with me throughout today's video. I appreciate what do I say, because my head is just okay. Right now, if you want to recreate this look, please recreate it. That is IKEA in the background. Everybody will see you, IKEA. Okay, so if you want to recreate this look, please recreate it and tag me on my social media handles, Lerny Lomotey or Blast Strokes by Lerny. Lerny Lomotey or Blast Strokes by Lerny. Okay, and kindly like, subscribe, share, comment if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. Alright, bye. Mwah.
Oh yeah, number. Ajiba de be fun won. Fun wani jinja. Spin up be fun won. With the building, fun wani lamba. Easy be fun won. Mr. Easy. Fun wani jinja. Monica be fun won. DJ Spino. Fun wani jinja. Which kind find you want to find? No way, they never find.